At a glance, the iPhone X looks so good. One of our video editors kept saying it looked fake. It's polished and tight and clean. My new favorite Apple thing is that the company managed to move all the regulatory text to software, leaving just the word iPhone on the back. The screen is bright and colorful and appears to be laminated tighter than previous iPhones, so it looks like the pixels are right on top. Honestly, it does kind of look like a 3D model instead of an actual working phone, but it is a real phone, and it's clear it was just as challenging to actually build as all the rumors suggested. It's gorgeous, but it's not flawless. There's a tiny sharp ridge between the glass back and the chrome frame that I feel every time I pick up the phone. That chrome frame seems destined to get scratched and ding, as every chrome Apple product tends to do. The camera bump on the back is huge, a larger housing than the iPhone 8 Plus fitted onto a much smaller body and designed to draw attention to itself, especially on my silver review unit. There are definitely going to be people who think it's ugly, but it's growing on me. There's no headphone jack, which continues to suck on every phone that omits it, but that's the price you pay for a bezel-less screen with a notch at the top. Around the sides, you'll find the volume buttons, the mute switch, and the sleep wake button. The removal of the home button means there are a few new button combinations to remember. Pressing the top volume button and the sleep wake button together takes a screenshot. Holding the sleep button opens Siri, and you turn the phone off by holding either of the volume buttons and the sleep button for several seconds.